Hi friends, welcome to Easy and Home Style Cooking. I am Mrs. Ragini. Today I am going to show you a baking dish which I love to make it, and this baking dish we are going to make bread sticks. Isn't it very simple to hear? Yes, making is also very simple. So first, to make our bread sticks we need all purpose flour. Here is 110 grams of all purpose flour. And bread sticks means we always think get a store bought bread and cut it into lengths and try to make different kinds of bread sticks. I already made couple of them. It's there in Mrs. Washef videos, so you can just check for that. But today we are going to make fresh bread sticks. 110 grams of all purpose flour. In this we are going to add 7 grams of sugar. You can just take 1 small teaspoon of sugar and pinch of salt. After adding salt, we are going to add the yeast. This is 2 to 3 grams of yeast. This is instant dry yeast, so you can use 3 grams. Just mix it and add some oil also. 1 tablespoon of oil and also water. 60 ml of water you can add, or depending upon the dough you can also add the water, and just mix this nicely. And this we are going to keep it for proofing. So for another 30 to 40 minutes we are going to rest this dough. Dear friends, this dough you need to mix it little bit tight, not soft. This is perfect. If we mix for our pizza dough, it will be nice and soft, not like that, see, hard. So this we are going to rest it for 30 minutes and then we are going to make our bread sticks. So dear friends, after resting this dough for 30 to 45 minutes, here you can see this has puffed up little bit. Now we are going to remove this dough and just take small portions, and we are going to make these portions into bread sticks, and we need to proof it again. So twice there is a proofing. Take the small portion and roll it, do it like this. Just take some ajwain, that is carom seeds, and put it in a tabletop or wherever you are making, and now just roll it on top of this so that this will stick to your dough. Make it little bit thin because we are going to keep it for again proofing, so you can make little bit thin. This we are going to keep it aside. I am going to show you one more. Very simple, just with your 2 hands roll this, and now some ajwain, that is carom seeds, and again roll it on this. So friends, here you can see our bread sticks. I have rested it for another 30 minutes and these are little bit puffed up. And if it is dry, what you can do is you can just spray little bit of water. So I have already sprayed it, and now just take a either knife or pizza cutter or any cutter and just give little bit of cut like this, so that once these are done you can just break it into 2 and enjoy this. So dear friends, now this we are going to bake it at 220 degrees for 15 minutes. So friends, here you can see our bread sticks are ready. See, nice golden in color. You need to cook it till you get a nice golden color on top, and this took just 10 minutes because we were baking this in 220 degrees, so it won't take much time. So this is nice and hot. You can give the gases little bit more so that once this is done you can just break open, but whatever I gave the gases while baking, it covered the gases. Now just see, wow, very nice. And once this is little bit warm, then you can just break open and this breadsticks you can have it with cream cheese or any mayonnaise or any dipping. This goes excellent, and you can have this with nice soup also. Simply superb. I hope you all will try this and feed your family fresh food like how I do it. So see you in another session with some more recipes, that too home style.